Cash Transfers, Aspirations and Goal Setting, Impact on Female Empowerment in Kenya is part of the Mind and Behavior Research Group at the Center for Study of African Economies and is joined with Kate Dorkin and Emma Riley, who are also based here at the University of Oxford. So the key issue that we're looking at in this project has to do with gender inequality, which is large and pervasive worldwide, especially in economic and political participation. Still, in most countries across the world, nearly half of the women do not have direct control of resources or assets. With this as the background, a lot of cash and asset transfer programs, as well as microfinance organizations, target women as the recipient of these programs. However, transferring resources to the household, even targeted at the woman, will not necessarily change her position in the household. This is because how resources are allocated in the household will depend on the relative bargaining power of individuals within the household. So what do we want to do in this project? We want to understand if, when an economic intervention is given, if we can add an intervention that can help women improve their relative economic position, that is her control of resources, her economic activity, as well as her experience of intimate partner violence. We do this by adding an aspirations boosting intervention to an economic intervention. What I mean by an aspirations boosting intervention is a video-based intervention where they're shown the stories of two local role models who are shown to set goals and overcome obstacles and achieve these goals with the help of their partners. So they're shown in very consultative relationships, and some of our pilot work actually showed that the women were really happy to see such supportive partners in these videos, and something that they found really quite different from the local context. And we want to understand if giving them both the economic intervention and this aspirations boosting intervention can actually help them improve their relative economic position. So how do we do this? When we work with 3,000 married women from the poorest households in rural Western Kenya, just on the border of Uganda. It's a cluster village randomized trial, so 176 villages, 1/4 of the villages, the respondents are given an unconditional cash transfer and a psychologically inactive video, which we call the placebo video, which is about just farming in rural Western Kenya. Another 1/4 receive this aspirations boosting video intervention, followed by a goal setting exercise. And then the third arm, both the households receive the unconditional cash transfer and the women receive the package of the aspirations boosting video intervention and the goal setting exercise. And then the final 1/4 is our placebo group, which receives the psychologically inactive video. So in summary, we are taking a comprehensive look at women's control of resources, her economic activity, and experience of violence in households where they're receiving both an economic intervention and a psychological intervention, and comparing it to receiving either of these alone.